Luke Skywalker, is that you? Is that you?
Hurry and don't get caught. Did it work?
Oh my god. Oh my god. We're getting shot at. No! Good morning. Hey guys, guess what? We are in Los Angeles and we are on our way to Disneyland. I know it's early in the morning, but we are very excited. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. Are you excited with Disneyland?
Yes.
As you can see over there, that's California Adventure. There's the entrance to Disneyland. And this place is packed. Look at it. But as you can see at the entrance, they got all the Disney characters. Look, they got Mickey Mouse up there, Donald Duck, all in the shape of pumpkins. I think that's Goofy or Pluto or whoever that is. And there's Minnie Mouse. Guys, we just arrived here at Disneyland and the streets are starting to pile up. We're going down the main street. As you can see, we hit a roadblock. Got a couple hundred, maybe even 1,000 people here. I don't know. Everyone's waiting to go into the same ride, the Star Wars, but we got to go through this entrance. These are the Star Wars spaceships. So they said the wait to get on the Star Wars ride is 2 hours. So if you want to come here, there's no fast pass or anything. You just got to wait 2 hours. Otherwise, come some other time in the day. But we got here first. We were right at the entrance and still have to wait 2 hours.
Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo. Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here, it'll be a smooth ride.
Primary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reload! Reload! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us!
We will evacuate immediately for interrogation. Get off the ship.
Look at all stormtroopers. Oh my gosh, there's the spaceship. Yeah.
Meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Oh boy.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Oh my god.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Fasten your seatbelts left or right, get your seatbelt on, and get ready.
Good, we have the recruits.
Okay, we're on our
You
right.
still here? Hold on to. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Ben will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. To the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're getting shot at.
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's back in a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us. Wait. I'm shut down.
Oh my god.
Bad. Up is real bad.
Oh god.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. This, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
made it out.
Recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Luke Skywalker, is that you? Is that you? So these helmets are actually 60 bucks. Star Wars t-shirts here, $40. All right, we just got up the Star Wars ride. What did you think of it?
So much better than we expected. Worth the wait.
The spaceship thing we were riding on, it just shoots up in the air and then drops back down. It's kind of a roller coaster ride, but it was so much fun. Definitely worth the try.